Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and search and write View, Network Connections. Press on it, find your Wi-Fi, right click on it, go to Properties. On this window here, press Configure. Then on this window here, Power Management, and deselect this option and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists. Next step, go to your system tray here. Then find Wi-Fi, press on this arrow, find your internet connection here, then right click on it, go to properties, and then make sure it's on private network, and then look if the problem persists or not. Next step, go to services, and then you need to scroll all the way down until you see WLAN. So WLAN autoconfig, make sure that's not this one. Or this one, yeah, this one. Make sure startup type is automatic here, and then service status is running. If it's not running, press start. And then also you can right click on it and refresh the task. And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then again, go to View, Network Connections, and then look for your Wi-Fi, right click on it, Properties, Configure, Advanced. And in this list here, look if you have a 802.11n mode. If you have that particular mode, select it, and then disable button will appear here, right? So for me, there is no such button, but for you, it can be. So make sure to disable that particular mode and apply the changes, and your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.